Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here and welcome back to another Cardano video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an update. What I do here is 100% Cardano information. And it's crazy to see that we have now crossed 13,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful to everyone that has subscribed and everyone that continues to like, comment and share the videos out there. That really does support the channel. The channel is only 3 months old now, so to see the growth that we have is incredible. And also on supporting the channel, my stake pool is about to cross 13 million. So that's my Cardano stake pool under the ticker Paul. We're about to cross 13 million live stake in the pool. So thank you very much to everyone that has delegated. That really does help support the channel by choosing my pool when you're staking your ADA. So today's video is going to look at, obviously we have to look at the price that pumped over the weekend. So it was a bad weekend for me to decide to take away from the chart. So I had set that I was going to do, or attempt to do, a little bit of DIY around the house. I had a bedroom to paint and attempt to put down a new floor. I did leave a nice little symbol on the floor before I put down the new floor. So it'll be interesting to see that whoever lifts that floor in the future, will they recognize that symbol when they do? So we're going to talk about price. Also, I'm going to talk quickly about some of the scams that are out there. Scammers are everywhere right now. Do not send your ADA, do not give your ADA to anyone else. I'm going to dig into that for about a minute at the start when we jump into the video, and I will do a dedicated video on this later in the week because this is an important topic right now. So let's jump into the video, and there will be timestamps for anyone who wants to jump straight to the price, as I know some of you guys do come here just for the price. Let's jump in. Okay, so you can see here that IOHK put out a tweet saying about this Daedalus wallet that has been created within the Play Store. So Daedalus does not have a mobile app. Daedalus is a full node wallet, so that means that it downloads the full blockchain to whatever device it's installed on. So this doesn't work on a mobile. I don't think there ever will be a Daedalus mobile wallet. If you want an official mobile wallet for ADA, use Yoroi. So Yoroi is the one that you can use it as a plugin in your browser, or you can use it on your phone. So again, you can search in the Play Store or the Apple Store for this, but I would say go to the Yoroi website, click on download and get the direct links from here, because when you search in the store, you're always open to some of these clones and scams that are out there that create these copy wallets. And what happens is, if you download a fake wallet and you input your seed phrase or you send your ADA to that wallet, the scammers can then take it out. And as the price of ADA continues to skyrocket up, scammers are going to be out in force. So always double check what you're doing. If you're in trusted community groups, then ask there, what are the official wallets? I would say always go to the official sources to get them as well. Okay, and on scammers, let me just bring this up as well. So I'm seeing now as well that there are people in the comments impersonating me. It's crazy to think that we've got to a level where there are scammers out there creating profiles with my profile picture and name, and they're putting comments on anyone who comments on the videos. They're commenting under saying, oh, contact me on this WhatsApp number and I can trade for you, I can do this for you. I will never offer to trade for anyone. First off, it's illegal because I'm not a financial advisor. All I do here is give my opinions and share some of the information that I use to take my own trade. So I will never ask you guys for money. I don't even have a donation link on the channel because I'm afraid of scammers using that in some way to say that this is my new donation address. I don't have a donation address. People who want to support the channel do so by liking the videos, sharing the videos, or commenting down below, and also delegating to my stake pool. So again, I don't offer anything where you have to pay me directly for my services. So in the comments, when you look at them, I go through comments. Every day I go through the comments and I spend 1 to 2 hours getting back to people. If I ever do miss a comment, it is not on purpose at all. It's just I'm getting 500 plus comments per video now. So if I miss a question that you ask, reach out to me in an email, paul@cardanowithpaul.com, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I really do try and get back to every single person. So if I ever miss a comment, just email me on that. And when you look here, you can see that there's replies to all of these. I give a heart icon to any comments that I read. So If there is no question in the comment, I just give the heart icon to show that I've read it. And if there's a question, I generally do reply there. So you can see replies, none here, none here. This one has view reply from Cardano with Paul. So this is how you know that I have directly replied here. And when you go in, you see it's in gray here, the comment from me. When you come up here and you look at the replies here, none of these have that grey highlighted mark. So that's how you know the comments are from me. So now on to the price. Okay, so what a weekend it was for the ADA price. We seen some parabolic growth in the price. Again, awful weekend for me to try and take off from the charts. It was very hard not staring at my phone and refreshing every 10 minutes. So as you can see, last Friday what we talked about was we were down here and we seen this consolidation here. This was really good to see. It gave us a base and convinced me that 41 cent is a very solid support now. So I think we were somewhere around here maybe when I done the video on Friday. And what I said was that I would like to see, again, something like this consolidation in these levels with any dips coming down to a maximum of 45 cent. We didn't get the dips. Saying we got consolidation trending sideways is a bit of a stretch as well because we were continually moving up. We went sideways here before getting parabolic growth again. Again, the trending sideways consolidation was getting smaller here. So you can see here it was longer. Then we had to move up. Small bit here, up. Small bit of sideways, up. Small bit. And then when we came up to this 70 cent mark, so I'm nearly sure I mentioned this in the video as well. This is a historical level where we struggled to get above in the past. So this was the resistance level. So what we're looking to do, just like we done at the 41 cent mark, we're now going to look to break above this. And when we get above it, flip that resistance into a support so that we can then move up for the next targets. So again, on social media this morning, this is what I posted, this symmetrical triangle. And you can see we had our breakout to the upside. Again, we went up towards that 70 cent mark and we're having a little bit of a pullback at the minute. What I expect to see is challenging this 70 cent mark again and definitely breaking it this week. Look, I said in the video Friday that I thought if we held our support down here that we could look at 60-70 cent this week. I was not expecting that over the weekend, but I'm not going to complain about it either. So what I would see is if we can break this 70 cent again and get above it and hold above it early in the week, then 90 cent is definitely on the cards for this week as well. And if we scroll out a small bit here, you can see that 93.5 cent was a significant level in the past on the charts as well. So when we were falling from the 2017-18 highs, this was a level that when we dropped and tried to bounce back up, this is a level that we struggled to get back above again. So at the minute, get above 70 cent, hold above it, and then make a charge for this 90 cent. Because once again, just like between 50 and 70 cent, there is not a whole lot of resistance in them areas. So again, we could see some very fast movements up towards 93 cent. That price will be very significant for the market cap of Cardano as well. Because, and you can see here actually on the all-time high, 118 was the old all-time high recorded by CoinGecko. There are other charts that show 140, and the reason that you see a difference in the price is because it depends on the exchange you look at. Some exchanges could have wicked up the higher prices, but 118 is a fairly solid level. I'm going to say, to me, that's all-time high 1, and then when we get above 140 up to 150 ADA, that's when I will say that we are 100% at the all-time high. So again, why I say that 93 cent will be significant here is because right now the Tether market cap is 28, nearly 29 billion. If we got to about a 90 cent ADA, we would take third position on CoinMarketCap. That would be absolutely huge. And to me, it's inevitable that it's going to happen. It's just how soon it can happen. Can we hit number 3 this week? That is the big question. And continuing in the movements that we're in, keeping the momentum up, you have to look at it that like we know there are announcements coming and there's stuff coming. It still hasn't come out yet. I think when these announcements come out, if anything else but native assets comes out, which I definitely think there could be something else, then we're going to see another parabolic move in the price of ADA. On the ADABTC chart, which is the one that I used to always look at, because again, BTC usually drives, but right now the ADA USD price is driving on its own. We need to go another little bit before I would say that we have decoupled from Bitcoin, but right now the ADA USD price is well capable of moving on its own without BTC leading the way. So looking back down here, my 982 is a long way off now. For anyone new, 982 is a level that we talked about so much on this channel when we were down here and further down as well. So at the minute, we blew past the 1400. This is on the daily. Let's zoom in a little bit more. So we blew past the 1400, which I said was only a minor resistance, but it was great to see how quickly we went through the 1600 resistance. We went up, again, as I always say, come back and test the level once you break through it, up, back down and tested 1600 sats, and then starting to move up again for the next one, which is up at the 2000 sats level. We just pull this down so you can see it. So up around here, that's a significant level. So why was the 1600 level significant? For anyone who hasn't seen the other videos, let's just reset the chart. And we look back here. This here was the 1600. This is when Shelly launched last August. So this was the July run up to the Shelly launch. And this is the peaks that we hit, the 1600. Right now, we are blowing past that. We've tested it as a support to make it an even more solid support on this level. Potentially testing it again would be good, but I'm happy enough for it to keep moving up and try and test this 2000. And again, 2000 is a level, I think it was May, let's scroll back out. I think it was May 18 that level is coming from. So yeah, April 19, what was May 18? Oh yeah, May 18. Oh, May 18 is the next level up after this. But back here in March 19, that's where we get the 2000 sats level. So when we were down here in this bear market, we got a break up and tried to reclaim some of the highs. But the 2000 sats level is where we got stopped and rejected back down for so long after that. And now we're finally resurging back up again. That's it for me on the price right now. I'm going to be watching this. I'm going to be trying to get some long trades into the market as well, because to me right now we are really in parabolic movements. I would not be surprised that if we break above this 70 cent, come back and test it and go, that we could get another parabolic move just like this heading up towards that 90 cent. So thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. As I say, give the video a like. Let me know your comments below. Give the video a share. And if you're looking for a Cardano stake pool, please do consider my own under the ticker Paul. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks very much for watching, and watch out for them scammers. Thanks, guys. See you soon.